Saving $10,000 in a year might sound impossible at first, but trust me, it's totally doable. Most people think you need to earn a huge salary to save that much, but that's not true. You just need a clear plan, small changes in habits, and a bit of discipline. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to hit that goal step by step. So let's start building your 10K savings plan today. The first step is to know exactly how much money comes in and goes out every month. Without tracking your spending, saving becomes just guesswork. Write down every expense, no matter how small, for one full month. You'll be surprised at how many little purchases add up. This awareness will be your foundation for the 10K goal. Now that you know your spending, it's time to cut unnecessary costs. Look at your recurring expenses like subscriptions, memberships, and extra services. Cancel the ones you don't use regularly or truly need. Even saving $50 a month from cuts can mean $600 a year. Small sacrifices now will make your 10K dream much closer. Next, set a specific monthly savings target. If your goal is $10,000 in a year, that's about $833 a month. It might seem high, but breaking it down makes it less scary. Once you see it in monthly form, you can plan exactly how to get there. Targets give your money a direction instead of letting it drift. Automate your savings so you don't have to think about it every month. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a separate savings account right after payday. This way, you save first and spend what's left, not the other way around. It removes the temptation to use that money for random expenses. Think of it as paying yourself before paying anyone else. Cutting food costs is another big saver. Instead of eating out multiple times a week, cook at home more often. Even replacing just 2 restaurant meals with home-cooked ones can save over $100 a month. Plan your meals, make a shopping list, and stick to it. Your wallet and your health will thank you. Transportation is another area to save big. If possible, use public transport or carpool instead of driving alone every day. You'll save on gas, parking, and even maintenance costs. If you have 2 cars, consider selling one if you can manage with one. Less driving also means less stress. Challenge yourself with a no-spend weekend every month. That means you avoid shopping, eating out, or spending money for 2 full days. Instead, focus on free activities like parks, hikes, or home projects. It's surprising how refreshing it feels to spend nothing. Plus, it directly adds to your savings without effort. Sell items you no longer use to boost your savings. Old electronics, unused furniture, or clothes in good condition can bring in quick cash. List them on local marketplaces or apps like Facebook Marketplace. Even making $200, $300 this way can cover almost half a month's savings goal. It's like turning clutter into cash. Find a small side hustle for extra income. It could be anything from delivering food, freelance writing, to tutoring online. Even just 5 hours a week can bring in $200 or more. All of that can go straight into your 10K fund. More income means less pressure on cutting expenses. Reduce your utility bills with small lifestyle changes. Turn off lights when not in use, unplug electronics, and adjust your thermostat. Lowering your energy bill by $20 a month saves $240 a year. Small changes like shorter showers can also help. It's like finding money hiding in your home. Avoid impulse purchases by using the 24-hour rule. Whenever you want to buy something non-essential, wait a full day before deciding. Most of the time, the urge will fade and you'll realize you don't need it. This trick alone can save you hundreds over a year. It's all about buying with intention, not emotion. Use cash for certain categories instead of cards. When you see physical money leaving your wallet, you spend more carefully. Create small envelopes for things like dining out, entertainment, or coffee. Once the cash in that envelope is gone, you stop spending in that category. It's a simple way to keep yourself disciplined. Take advantage of cashback and rewards programs. Use credit cards that offer cashback, but only if you can pay them off in full each month. You can also sign up for apps that give you cashback on groceries or gas. Over a year, these small rewards can add up to hundreds. It's like getting free money for spending wisely. Set mini goals within your 10K target. Celebrate when you reach $2,500, $5,000, and $7,500. It keeps you motivated and makes the journey feel shorter. You can reward yourself with something small but meaningful. Progress feels better when you acknowledge it. Avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. When you get a raise or bonus, keep your spending the same and save the extra. Many people increase expenses the moment they earn more, and that kills savings. By resisting that urge, you'll hit your 10K goal much faster. It's the easiest money you'll ever save. Review your budget every month. Life changes and so do expenses, so adjust as needed. Cut categories that are overspending and boost ones that are working. This keeps your plan flexible and realistic. A budget isn't a cage, it's a guide. Limit online shopping temptation. Delete saved credit card details and remove shopping apps from your phone. When buying becomes less convenient, you naturally shop less. Out of sight often means out of mind. Your savings will grow without you feeling deprived. Cook in bulk and freeze meals. This saves both time and money during busy weeks. It reduces the temptation to order takeout when you're tired. Bulk buying ingredients also cuts grocery costs. It's a double win for your budget. Use the one-in, one-out rule for purchases. If you buy something new, sell or donate one similar item. This keeps clutter low and spending mindful. It also turns potential waste into extra value. Your home stays tidy, and your savings stay healthy. Track your progress visually. Use a chart, app, or even a jar where you drop in a coin for every $10 saved. Seeing your growth makes the goal feel real. It's satisfying and keeps your motivation alive. Progress you can see is progress you'll keep. Share your goal with a friend or family member. Having someone to check in with keeps you accountable. They can also celebrate milestones with you. It turns a personal challenge into a team effort. Support makes saving less lonely. Don't let one bad month stop your progress. Unexpected expenses happen to everyone. If you fall behind, just adjust and keep going. The key is consistency over perfection. Even slow progress is still progress. Visualize what the 10K will do for you. Is it for an emergency fund, a vacation, or a down payment? Picture yourself enjoying that result. It makes the sacrifices easier to stick with. A clear why makes every how possible. Saving $10,000 in a year isn't magic. It's just consistent choices. Start with small changes, automate what you can, and stay focused. Every dollar you save brings you closer to your goal. If you found these tips helpful, share this video with someone who needs it. In our next video, we'll talk about how to make your money grow faster once you've saved it.